wide area, and with the nets of size less than 10 millimeter on Lake Victoria and less than 8 millimeter on Lake Kyoga and Elegu. The method catches big quantities of untargeted fish, especially juvenile of the Nile perch. And I told the country that currently we have very small number of fish in the lake, especially Lake Victoria, not as we used to fry. Even the tonnage now has totally come down because of this method. The matter threatens sustainability of the fish stocks in our water bodies. The fishing rules of 2010, currently in force, prohibit the use of seine nets and nets whose mesh sizes are below those specified sizes. The same rules also ban fishing of silverfish in the water less than 2 kilometers from the shorelines. Based on these provisions, announced that we should stop using the hurry-up method and we remain using the methods that we used to use. Even before some of us were born, our forefathers were fishing mukene. And the previous years, we have been having mukene being fished, and our poultry and all this relying on mukene were fine. But since this hurry-up method came in took place, they have interfered with the other species in the lake, and I stopped the use of hurry-up method, and I directed that the Fisheries Protection Unit, together with our technical team in every district, fishing district, go down and sensitize people, sit down with them, talk to them about the dangers. And today I want again to emphasize, let the Fisheries Protection Unit, together with our technical teams, the district fisheries officer, the sub-county fisheries technical team, all the LOCs should be reminded that if they don't support us at the grassroots on good fishing methods, even the increase of their salary that they are talking about, having a little salary per month, cannot be got, because if we don't have a good harvest, as we are all aware, fisheries contributes a big percentage to our economy, and it's next to coffee. So if we destroy fisheries, then we would have destroyed our country. We cannot be able to get any income to our country. And you are aware, when the president put his foot down and parliament put their foot down, and he said no issues of using exhaust pipe to put fuel in the car instead of the right hole of the car. When I talk like that, you know, most of the countries reduce their funding to us because we said no using exhaust pipe to put fuel in the car. Now because of that, we have to rely within our country economy. And one of the things we must protect is our lakes. Our lakes can be able to give us what some countries cannot give us. So following the media statement that I made, I noticed an escalating concerns among the fishing community, especially silverfish fishers, especially on parts of Lake Victoria. There was too much outcry. And I invited their leaders to meet me in my office. Together with my technical team, we met the leaders of Mukene, from Kalangala, from all over the country. And I've kept meeting them. Even yesterday, I met some from Lake Kyoga, Panyamu. So, I mean, Lake Yalubat, and specifically Panyamuru, where I met some. And the concerns were that I have banned the fishing of Mukene. This is wrong. And the media support me and help me. Even after here, some media section individuals will again call me instead of calling their media houses to find out the clarity of the matter.